Mum and Mickey Francis, hello. Our Christmas things are still up. They should be down, but we're taking them down in a few weeks because Christmas was yesterday. Did you have a good Christmas? I love my dresses you got me. Thank you for the tights as well. And Christmas was good. And my mom has just gone for a run. Can I tell her that the reindeers pooped inside? And at Christmas, when we were asleep, the reindeers pooped inside. And Santi didn't know, so we had to clean it up. And I got a drum machine, drum on, and a bike for Christmas as well. My mummy and daddy got me a My Little Pony jigsaw. And
What did Santa do in the sitting room, Dave?
And Santi made footprints in the sitting room from the ashes. We had to clean it up. And they're still there. And our
Did you have Christmas dinner, Maeve?
And we had Christmas dinner in Granny's. So now I'm going to sing a Christmas song. Christmas, Christmas, oh, the Christmas time is here. Oh, Christmas, this time is here. The Christmas is on. They all want to. The Christmas princesses, snow princesses and Christmas princesses are in their castle when it's snowing. And everything is Christmassy, all is Christmassy. They're eating their dinner, Christmas dinner. Everyone's in their house. Oh, it's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas time. Oh, yeah. Oh, snowmans are up. We haven't built a snowman. There wasn't any snow at Christmas. And
there's lots of snow in America where Mickey Francis and Moma are.
Now?
Yeah. Have you got a message for Mickey Francis and Moma before you say goodbye?
Yeah.
What's the message? Are you going to wish them a happy Christmas and a happy New Year?
No, this is the message. I love you. That's the message. And then we're going to bye-bye. And I love you.